have taken next problem, 33rd question. In that it is given less than type ogive. We have to draw less than type ogive. First try to understand it is less than type. Whenever it is less than type, we have to mark this values, isn't it? That you have to remember. If it is more than, mark these points. Okay. Now it is less than type. Therefore it is this one, this side. Less than 10, less than 20, less than 30. Like that you have to write. Less than 10, less than 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That means less than these numbers. Now, cumulative frequency I have found out here. This one is a cumulative frequency, and you know that for less than type, where you have to add, how to add. If it is more than type, add from here, isn't it? If it is less than type, you have to add from the top, isn't it? Therefore, it is 8, 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 15 is 35, 35 plus 10 is 45, 45 plus 20 is 65, 60 plus 5 plus 5 is 70, 70 plus 15 is 85. That means for less than type, add from the top. That is from here we have to add. If it is more than, start from down. More than that, it is added from here. 15 first we have to write here, isn't it? That is how we have to mark it. Okay, let us now check that these two are to be marked in the graph. These two values are to be marked in the graph. What is that? This class interval should be, that is, this is the class interval, or you can take it as a less than type. This less than type value should be here. Okay, which is that 10. 10 to 8. This is cumulative frequency. Let me mark this. This is 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We want only 70. 70 is the last. And here we need from 80 to 85. So let me take here as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Because 85 is the highest. Now let me start marking it from 10 to 8. 10 to 8. 8 is somewhere here we need. Okay. And remember children, it is better this less than type you write it over here so that you will not have any confusion for marking. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that marking should not be a problem for you from where to where you have to mark. That should not be a confusion. So now it is easy. First less than type, then cumulative frequency. Okay. From 10 to 8. From 10 to 8. Starting from here. From 20 to 20. From 20 I have to mark 20. This 20 and this 20. From 20 to 20. This 20. Okay. Now from 30 to 35. Start from 30. Go to 35. In between these two is 35. From 30 to 30, this one 40 is 35 is in the middle. So just take this from 30. From 30 to 35. This is the point. Next, from 40 to 45. From 40, I should go to 45. 45 is in between this 40 and 50. This is the middle point. See, between 40 and 50, 45. So that I have to take it. So I will get it here. So let me remove this now so that you will not have any doubt. Alright. Now from 50 to 65. Let me start from 50. Go to 65. 65 is in between 70. Isn't it? 60 to this one. So here from 50. So it comes over here. Next is 60 to 70. From 60 I should go to 70. 70 is here. Okay. Here. See. Correct? 60 to 70. 70 to 85. From 70, I should go to 85. 85 is in between 80 and 90. See? So this is the point. Correct? Now, I have curve like this. You can just observe. So, this is how we will get the line. That is, starting from here, we will get it like this. See children, sometimes what happens is that this will get in some different shape because I have drawn it in this without using the scale. I have drawn this. So you may get it in a different way like this. But starting from down to upwards it should go. That is the ogive curve. This is less than type ogive curve. This is less than type ogive curve. I hope you understood this. So let us continue with 4 mark questions. 4 questions are there. Okay. For these questions usually you get one question from that is surface areas and volumes. That is a must question. And one question usually you get solved graphically. And one more usually will be from quadratic equations. Okay. Here you will have one question from that is the applications of trigonometry. Likewise, you get 4 mark questions, 4 questions. So first one, anyhow this question is compulsory. That is from surface areas and volumes, one question is compulsory. Okay, guarantee question it is. Now here a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of a height of 220 cm and base diameter with a base of a diameter 24 cm. Have drawn one cylinder with height as 220 cm and the diameter is 24 cm. If the diameter here is 24 cm, then we need to find out what is R. Okay. And next one is the other one is which is surmounted by another cylinder. One more cylinder is surmounted here on this, which is surmounted by another cylinder, and the height of this cylinder is 60 cm and the radius itself is given as 8 cm. Okay. Now what I will do, I will take cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. Let me take cylinder 1 is this one. Let us take this as a cylinder 1. What is given? H1. Height 1 is 220 cm and radius I'll take because the diameter is given as 24. It means the radius here is 12 cm. Half of this diameter is 12 cm. And you, as I told you, let us take it as a H1 and R1. Okay. Cylinder 2. Let me take cylinder 2. What is given? Height is given and radius is given. Height 2 is 60 cm and radius is given as 8 cm. Okay. Now they are asking you to find out, find the mass of the pole. Whenever it is the question of mass, it is volume. Mass means volume. So mass of the pole, given that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. 1 centimeter cube is 8 grams approximately. Then find out what is the total mass required for this cylinder. Okay. So let me take volume of a cylinder. So volume of the cylinder 1 plus volume of the cylinder 2 gives you the total volume, isn't it? So total volume is equal to volume of cylinder 1 and plus volume of cylinder 2. Volume of cylinder 2. Okay. Right. Now you know the formula. Pi r square h. Pi r square h is volume of the cylinder. Let me take this as 1 and 1. The second one is also pi r square h. But whereas let me take it as a r2 h2. Okay. Now pi is common. Let me put them outside. So r1 square h1 plus r2 square h2. Okay. This equals to 22 by 7 into r1 square. R1 for this here is 12 square. 12 square into height here is 220 plus r2 square. R2 is 8 square into h2 is 60 equals to 22 by 7. 12 square is 144 into 220 plus 8 square is 64 into 60. I need to calculate all this. That means multiply these two. Then add them and then multiply that with 22 by 7. Let us check it. That calculation I have done here. Whichever I had taken here, I have taken here 22 by 7 and 31680 plus 3850. That multiplication I got it. And then you add them. And after you just adding, multiply this with 22 and divide it by 7 gives you this much. That is 1,11,000 634.286 centimeter cube. But they are asking you mass. So how to find out mass? 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. Therefore, total mass is how much? So multiply these two. That is into 8 gives you 8,93,074.288. This you can bring it to 2 decimal points. How? If this is 8, because it's more than 5, 1 should be added here. So it becomes 29. So that much gram we have the mass. Okay. Here I have taken next question, solve graphically. You know that it is very important question. So let us see how can we do this. Okay. Before solving it for graphically, you can just check the values of x and y using substitution method, then using elimination method, so that you will know what are the values of x and y. Now here in this, you can just check that there are two equations given. So what I have to do? Whenever it is a graph, we need to make it as a y is equal to. We have to take it as y is equal to. So what I will do, 3y I will keep it as it is. Bring this x to the other side, it becomes minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus x. 6 minus x divided by 3. This 3 which is in the place of multiplication comes as a division. Similarly, here also I need the value of y. So what I will do, this minus I want it as a plus. So I will take this minus 3y to the other side, whereas 12 to the other side. So what it becomes? 2x minus 12 is equal to 3y. See, this 12 I got it to the other side, 3y I got it to the other side. Now I will bring 3 other side. Okay, so this becomes 2x minus 12 by 3 is equal to y. This 3 comes down. So now this y is here 2x minus 12 by 3. Let me keep it on the other side. Now I'll exchange. Okay. Now first I have to make the table for this, and next I have to make the table for this. Let me go for this. So how to make a table? You just take one table here. This is how we have to take the table. As these are divisible by 3, I will take the values or multiples of 3 in the value of x. I'll take x as multiples of 3. Which one? 0, 3, 6, 9. Okay. Now let me substitute y. 6, y is equal to 6 minus 0. Because x is 0 now. X value is 0 by 3. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 by 3, 2. 6 by 3 is 2. Therefore, the first value here is 2. Now, y is equal to 6 minus 3 by 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 by 3, 1. Y is equal to 6 minus 6. I have taken 0, 3, 6, 9. Isn't it? That's the reason. 6 minus 6 by 3. I am substituting the value of x. See here, this is x. X value I am substituting. So 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 by 3, 0. Keep it 0. Y is equal to 6 minus 9 by 3. Now I have taken x as 9. 6 minus x by 3. 6 minus x by 3. 6 minus x by 3. Like that. So 6 minus x by 3. Now 6 minus 9. Minus 9 is greater number and it has a minus sign. So remove 9 minus 6 but keep greater number sign. So this becomes minus 1. What are the values I got? Here 2, 1, 0, minus 1. 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Got it? Now let us go to this question. So here we have y is equal to 2x minus 12. Y is equal to 2x. Now I have taken x value as I told you, the same values let us take. Okay. X, y. 0, 3, 6, 9. Let me take the same values. Okay. Now 2 into 0 minus 12 by 3. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 12 minus 12 by 3. So this is minus 12 by 3. So it is minus 4 because 3 ones are 3 fours are. Next, y is equal to 2 into 1 minus 12. Now I am putting x as 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 12 minus, sorry, this I have to take it as 3, correct? Multiples of 3. So let me take x as 3 now. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12 is minus, from 12 if you remove 6, 6. Is it not? Correct? So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So minus 2. Next, let me take 2, 6 now. 6 I have to take. Correct? I am putting the value of x as 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 3 is 0. Y is equal to 2 into. Now, I have taken 0, I have taken 3, I have taken 6. Now I have to take 9. Isn't it? 2x. I have to substitute the value of x. That's all. Minus 12 by 3. So 2 9s are 18. 18 minus 12 by 3. 18 minus 12 here is 6. 6 by 3 is 2. 18 minus 12, 6. 6 by 3, 2. I got the values now as minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2. See? Minus 4, minus 2, 0 and 2 are the answers. Now I got these two tables. Now I will erase all this to draw the diagram or the graph. So how to make this graph? You know that in a graph how to mark them, isn't it? Now what do I have in the x value? What do I have in the y value? Let us see. In x value 9 is the highest, which is positive. And here in y value minus 4 is highest, which is negative. That means I need to take the values in such a way that I need in y I need minus values. Okay. So let me take this as a 0. This is always 0, remember. Okay. In x values I want 9 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is what? X. Isn't it? This is x. This is x dash. Means we have minus 1, minus 2 here. And this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. That's all. So y dash. And this is y. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can just check that 0 to 9 I have in x. Yes, 0 to 9 I have in x values, which is positive here. This is also positive, this is negative, and this is negative. What is the scale I have taken? In x-axis, I have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. You can just see that all are 1 1. Here also 1 1 I have taken. So 1 centimeter is taken as 1 unit. This is 1 centimeter, which is taken as 1 unit. If you take it as 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, then you have to write 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay. If you take it as 3, 6, 9, 12 and all, 1 centimeter is equal to 3 units. Like that. Now here on both sides I have taken it as 1 unit. Therefore x-axis and y-axis I have taken it as 1 unit. Let me write it. Now let us start from the first equation. This is the first equation. From 0 to 2. X is 0, y is 2. X is 0, y should be 2. Which is y? This value is y. So y here is 2. I have to go to 2. Y is 2. Okay. This is 2. Next 3 to 1. From 3 I should go to 1. From 3 next axis. 3 next axis. Y in y 1. From 3 to 1. See, this is 1. From 3 to 1. So this is the point. From 6 to 0. 6 is x. On x 6. Y is 0. Therefore on x axis only we have to mark it. Next one is 9 to minus 1. From 9 go to minus 1. Minus 1 is here. So from 9 go to minus 1. So this is the line which you get. Isn't it? This line we will get it. Next one, let us go for the next one here. The second one. In this 0 to minus 4, x is 0 whereas y is minus 4. Y is minus 4 means this is what? Y is minus 4 whereas x is 0. So need not, this is x is 0, 0 to minus 4. 3 to minus 2. From 3 you should go to minus 2. 3 in x. From here to minus 2 comes down. This is minus 2. 3 to minus 2. Okay. Let me mark this with a circle. This as a cross. Now 6 to 0 the same thing. 6 is in x. On x 6. So on x is 6 and 0. 9 to 2. From 9 I should go to 2. 2 in y axis. So 9 to 2. This is 2. Okay. And this is 9. From 9 you should go to 2. Yes. This is the value. So I got one more line which is going this way. So you'll get two lines where the meet here is this point. That is 6, 0. Therefore, the value of x is 6. Value of x is 6 and y is 0. See children, you get it as a straight because I don't have taken it as a proper measurement. So that's the reason it is coming like this. Otherwise, you get a straight lines like this. That is how we can find out the values of x and y. Okay. Let us go to the next one.